Welcome to another AMI Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about the TGA and maintenance. Fortunately, the TGA requires actually very little maintenance. It's a very robust unit that actually will operate smoothly for years with very little maintenance. However, there are a few things to watch for. One, we monitor the flow rate with a icon on the software that tells you whether the water is flowing or not. If that fails to flow, then you're going to need to go and check and find out why. Usually it's caused by buildup some sort of contaminant in the water, and then you need to clear that in order for that to get work. If that's not the case, contact customer service and we will go and help you troubleshoot, but that's a very rare occasion. The other thing it is common with this is over time, you can get buildup inside the furnace from evolved gases, things like that. If you're running samples that involve a lot of gases and you get buildup, you may get a plugged exit tube. And so you want to make sure that that exit tube stays open and that you're getting gas out. If it gets real bad, you can take, and we talked about earlier, one of the other videos, how you remove the furnace and inspect it. You can remove it. You can do an inspection, make sure the bottom's not plugged, make sure you've got free flow of gases through the unit. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to consider with this unit from a standpoint of maintenance. Just kind of do a visual inspect, make sure everything looks good. If you do need to change the thermocouple for the sample, you would do that by taking the cover off, unplugging it, taking it out, putting the new one in. Very simple procedure, pretty straightforward. And you'll have a unit that performs well with little maintenance.